Okay, we here have a Sonic 32-inch LCD television, and the problem with the picture have an issue. Will be flick or off and on the screen. Just switch on, see what's happened.
People happy to be injected with Botox but scared of the drill? Is that how it works?
Well, it's all about motivation, really. So some injectable treatment, so you come out actually with a bit of a spring in your step, feeling a bit better about yourself.
Wow.
Makes quite a difference.
Can Botox actually help your teeth? And help your jaw?
Oh, absolutely. So a lot of people in society, Sarah,
You were diagnosing me through the telly,
That's
weren't you?
right,
So
yes.
I've got these, and I thought, are they mandibles?
masseters.
Massages.
Yes.
So basically, it's a build-up of grinding in your
That's
spine.
Okay.
right. So that big
Now,
muscle
and
is
I like to open
right
it to
in
see
there
what's
into your
wrong
band,
and
or actually
how we
cause
can
you to
fix.
clench. And
I will
if it's
show you.
overactive, like any muscles.
Now all screws are off. You take the bottom off, take the cover. Okay, now, and we can see inside now. This is the main board. This is the power supply board. And just check anything wrong with your eyes, like capacitor and bulge. But we can see looks like quite health. Everything looks okay. But most of what looks like the problem caused from this board. This is called T.con board. See the two connection here? That will be loose or bad connection. So we need a service to cables, and then put it back on, see what's happened to the picture. So I just service it now. Okay, now, and I try to fix that. Okay, now we have a look, and now being serviced, and we have a look and see what's going on. Okay, now switch on. Have a look a while, see the picture stable or not.
Usually you would flambe it, but with a lot of hairspray. Particularly you've got quite a lot. Andrew likes this product.
The wine in it, Gabrielle Gattei used to always say that you should cook with the wine that you love to drink and not just throw the cheap wine in the dish. Is that right?
Absolutely, and this is a beautiful Chardonnay.
Yes, and the problem solved. And so that's the way to fix that particular problem. You can fix with other LCD television, because they all have a T.con board, and very common that connection rebels and not join them properly or dirty, and after service will solve the problem. Okay, I hope it can help you to fix your television, and thanks for watching. Yeah, thank you.